Sick pussy that. He's sick. The first thing I do, I tell you what I do. I go over Blue Royal yesterday and I chat with Blue Royal, thinking I would feel away. I no feel no way. Next thing company live and post baby mother say, you know, in no standard for me feel away. Thing. You knock standard. You not impress me in no form of way. No form of way. And next one I come talk about oh Keke immature. Keke no used to no life. Oh now come say no used to life. How money you want for the pitney ma? Cause him broke and hungry and have nothing. So how much money you want for the pitney ma to get some food? How much that and the little idiot I go take her back and try and post the girl that conquer her again cause she won in a competition. Now make me come talk I lego my raw mouth over here, you know. And if tonight me ever go my bed or hear say Rasta come over here so have nobody in the box and make nobody attack nothing about me I can rub your left, right and center and make people know who you be. Pussy Rasta look. Rasta sell the girl them romance scam. So I come, oh, I'm gonna get a new job. Me I go get to a new house and me I take my money, put it yes, I say yes. Him a go on with the things that you skin out your front and give him. After just don't know, say I don't see as an object, you know exactly what to tell you. In try to convince your brain, I get what me I say. So he did I run one romance scam for me. Broke and lie. Oh, him a go move and go in a new house, this and that, and all of these things, just to get your front. I go up a Rasta, I not even go in a Rasta bed, go lay down. Because you see me when it comes on to people bed and lay down in a people bed, me not run them the joke there. From me know Rasta have money issue, card issue, money issue. Make him come talk. Make him come talk. Oh, my card, NCB, they give problem. Me can't do online banking. Oh, me have to wire money to my own self to get money.